This is the 7th period worksheet for lesson 6 and I'll be covering it. 3 out of 5 students are boys. The total amount of students is 540. How many boys are there in the school? So for every 5 students there are 3 boys. So let's write the total over the amount of boys. And we do the same here. The total, which is 540, over the amount of boys, which we're trying to find. And all you have to do is cross multiply. 3 times 540, that's 1620, equals 5x divided by 5, and you should get 324. So the answer is C. If x to y is equal to 2 to 3 and z to y equals 5 to 3, what is x to y to z? So if x to y equals to 2 to 3, that means x equals 2, y equals 3. Same thing for here, z to y equals 5 to 3, that means z equals 5. Oops. And then y equals 3, but we have that here. And we're just trying to write this ratio, which is x, so x is 2, y is 3, and then z is 5. And this is what you get, so the answer should be A. Sonia put $200 in a bank that pays 8% interest per year. How much will she have in her bank after 1 year? So first we have to find 8% of 200 because that's how interest works. It's whatever the percentage of how much money you have, and whatever that amount is, you get back. So 200, 8% of that, you multiply by 0.08 because you need to convert this to a decimal, and you should get 16. But we're trying to, this is how much money she gets back from interest, and we're trying to find how much money does she have in her bank account. So we add it to her total, which is 200. So 200 plus 16 equals 216, and the answer is D. If there's 240 employees in a company, which 15% are women, how many are men? So 15% of this are women, so we just have to find that first. Times 15%, that's 1.5. So all you have to do is solve for that first, and should get 36. But this is how much women there is, so you subtract from the total. So 240 minus 36, that's 204. So the answer is C. To calculate 135% of 300, mark the correct answer below. This is just another proportion, so since it's of 300, that means 300 is the total. And then on this side you have percentage. Here we're given a percentage which is 135, so we write 135 over 100. And we're trying to find x. So all you have to do is cross multiply. So you get 100x equals 40,500. Isolate x. You should get 405. And the answer is C. Wait, let me just make sure this is correct. 300, so 450 divided by 300. Yeah, this is correct. 3 bottles contain 4.5 liters of juice. How many liters of juice does 5 bottles contain? So if 3 bottles contain this much, we write a ratio like this. 3 over 4.5. And then it doesn't matter where you put them, just as long as like bottles goes on same, like you just have to, if you write bottles on top, you have to write bottles on top here too. So make sure you just do that. So if you put 3 bottles on top and 4.5 liters on the bottom, that means the 5 bottles goes on top. And then we're trying to find how many liters do 5 bottles contain, so you can call that x. Same thing, cross multiply. So 3x equals 4.5 times 5, that's 22.5. Divided by 3, x should equal 7.5, I believe. Yeah, 7.5, so C. Try 7 on your own. I'll give you the answer here. Answer is C. But yeah, try this on your own. Next, use a number line to find the sum. So, really, honestly, if you have a number line, all you have to do is think about it. So, here's 0, and negative 11 is somewhere around here. Let's call this negative 11. You add 3. If you add 3 to negative 11, it goes 1, 2, 3 to negative 8. That's all you have to do. So same thing for number 2. It's 5 plus negative 10. So let's draw 0. 5 is around here. If you go to negative 10, that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's just say this is accurate, but it's not. So 5, wait, hold on. Let me just, if we have 0 here, this is 5. So we start from 5 and you add negative 10. So that means the thing's going backwards. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means it should be negative 5 here. So yeah. So for number 3, the answer should be 6. Number 4 should be 5. Number 5 should be negative 15. 12 should be negative 6. 13 should be positive 6. 8 should be negative 10. And 11 should be negative 20. And then 10 should be 1.5. So yeah, try doing the rest on your own. Here are the answers. So yeah.